Today on Bar Talk and Cocktails, we're going to make a syrup. Ha! Ah! Shit. These raspberries are beautiful. I wanted to pick my own, but for some reason my raspberries this year kind of got some kind of blight. Somebody enjoyed them. So I ended up buying some organic raspberries. I've got 3 cups of organic raspberries here, and in the pot we go. And I've got a 1.5 cups of water, but I'm not going to use it all, just half for now. That's about right. We're going to leave the rest for later. And you probably ask me why. Well, it's because I don't want it to boil down to nothing. So we need some fire here, yeah. So basically what we want to do is bring this to a boil over high heat and wait till it boils. Okay, one thing I want to mention here is you want to frequently stir so we don't scorch the bottom of the berries. All those sugars in there, they'll burn really fast. And you know, if you did want to make a clear syrup, you could skim off the foam that's going on along the way. But we're not. It's come to a boil now, and we're just going to turn it down a little bit to a medium heat and just let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I think we're pretty much there. Look at this consistency. It's awesome. The other half of the water we're going to dump in, and we're going to bring this back up to a boil for about, I don't know, a couple minutes or so. It's looking mighty fine. I'm gonna go get myself a drink while this is happening. You guys watch. Watch that you don't overboil this. All right, how are we doing? I'm a-thinking it's done. So, what we wanna do is turn our stove off. I have a little hot plate here. Take it off the heat and just pop a lid on and wait till it cools a little bit, okay? In the meantime, pour yourself a drink. All right, our mixture is not cooled down 100%, as you can see by all the steam here, but that's what we want. We want to keep it nice and warm because it's going to flow a lot better through our sieve here. And we're just gonna strain this. Let gravity do its work. I love gravity, except when you get older, like me. Gravity makes you shorter, you know. Okay, and we're just gonna give a little helping hand with our little spatula here. And it's the waiting game mostly. And in the meantime, while this is dripping, I gotta go clean my pan out, okay? So I'll be right back. Clean! We'll be using that again. Okay, how we looking here? Yeah, it's coming. It takes time, but the results are worth it. They really are. We should be close to a cup by the time we're done. I'm hoping. Okay, I think I'm there. So let's get rid of that, all right? And we're just gonna take this berries, and we're just gonna dump it back into our pan here. And we're gonna bring this back to a medium heat to bring it to a boil. Okay, what we wanna do is we wanna add some sugar. And I've only got a 1/2 cup. This is organic cane sugar. Let's start mixing that in there. You can use any sugar. I try and stay away from the white sugar unless I'm unless I'm going for something that's really clear and clean looking. But I tend to go towards the golden sugars. Even the demerara's are nice too. We want to add about a teaspoon of fresh lemon. That looks pretty good actually. Keep stirring, it's coming to a boil. And we want to dissolve all that sugar. Okay, it's come to a boil now. I'm going to even turn it down a little more to low. So now we're going to cook this on a low heat for about 5 minutes. Maybe a little longer, 5-7 minutes, somewhere in there, right? And yeah, it's just a matter of waiting again. In the meantime, cheers. So again, you want to be stirring frequently while this is simmering here at a low heat. Anyway, I think we're done. So basically, it's thickened up. And that's what you want. You want to reduce a little bit till it becomes a little thicker. Look at that. Yeah, it's a little thicker. And it's going to thicken up even more once it cools down. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take her off the heat here. And we're going to add a little bit of organic vanilla. And you could use a bean, but I have this in my cupboard, so you know, a bean would probably be better, but this is going to be just fine. And we want a good teaspoon or more. Yeah, look at that. And what we're going to do is just grab our lid, pop her on there, let her steep, and bring it down to room temperature. And in the meantime, I'm going to refreshen my drink, so I'll see you in a bit, okay? Okay, it's cooled down to room temperature now. And all we gotta do is bottle it. All right, look at this. Oh, let's check it out. Oh yeah, that's a syrup. That's a syrup. Look at the thick quality going on there. I love it. Now I'm just gonna double strain it. Again, you know, strain it again. You don't know what you're gonna get. It's just going to take a little bit of time. Look at the color. I'm liking it. Sweet. So we're just going to let that do its thing. Yeah, just let it do its thing. Oh yeah. I got quite a bit of sediment. Check it out. Okay. Let's taste it and see what we've got here. Look at how thick that is. That's beautiful. Wow. Wow. Initially, you get the vanilla right up front, and then the raspberries come in the background. I love it. This is really, really nice. So let's preserve it now. Now, typically we'd use a vodka because of how neutral it is. But you know, I'm half thinking some cognac. Yeah. Where's my little funnel? Yeah, I think it's gonna warm it up. It's gonna warm it up. Yeah, that's all you need. A little half ounce or more. Let's give that a shake. That's beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Get all that cognac blended in. That's a VS cognac. Yeah. All right, let's give it a try here. How thick that is. I'm spilling. Wow. It's really good. It really is good. You know, you could stir this into a sparkling mineral water for a refreshing sip. Or you could stir it into iced tea to make a thirst-quenching raspberry iced tea. Drizzle it on your oatmeal and granola for breakfast. And you know my favorite is to drizzle it on desserts like angel food cake. There we have it. Our syrup. Raspberry syrup. Stay tuned, because in the next episode, we are going to make a fabulous cocktail using our raspberry syrup. I'm on Patreon now. Yeah, for just a few dollars a month, you get access to things that nobody else sees. You get bloopers, you get podcasts, newsletters, and sneak peeks. You get a whole whack of stuff that you're gonna love. So become one of my booze hounds and help support the show. This stuff gets expensive, and every little bit goes back into the show. Thanks in advance. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, hit that subscribe button down there. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be supporting us. How wonderful would that be? Thank you.